Hello everyone, Cliff here, aka Cryo Dog. Going to do an unboxing today for the Panasonic KX TGA651. I bought this to extend my current wireless home phone. So this phone features bright display with big letters and numbers, so it's easy to see. This is the exact same phone that I've got on my current system. It's just an extension of that. I like the phone receiver itself. It's got a headset adapter. It also has a belt clip and a speakerphone. I like the speakerphone. It's very loud. You can adjust the volume from 1 to 5, and the volume of the receiver is very good as well. So let's go ahead and open it up. As you can see here in the picture, just a little bit there. It includes the power charger, the base, the batteries, and the belt clip. Okay, so let me just flip the tape here. My trusty blade away. So there's the receiver, exactly like the one I have now. And on the side is where you'll find the headset adapter for the 3-point. I think it's 3.5mm headphone jack. Yeah, that's about right. And then we've got your battery compartment on the back. So go ahead and leave that off, so that we put batteries in here shortly. And your menu control, volume control. Dial there. So cheers, we have some type of manual. We have the phone base. Power port right there. I don't know if you can see that or not. You can wall mount this as well. It's got the wall mounting brackets where you just slide it on. Personally, I don't like the way these kind of bases mount to the wall. They just kind of stick out off the wall. I don't really care for that much. But kind of plasticky, thin, feels a little cheap. But it's just a base, so something to hold and charge the phone. So I don't know. I guess it doesn't have to be very high quality for that. Okay, so here is the belt clip. Now I'm a big fan of the belt clip. I like the belt clip a lot, especially if you're using the headset with your phone. You don't have to hold the phone in your hand. You can just stick it to your pants or your shorts, you know, whatever you have that you can hold it to. And I really think that's a very good feature in a phone. And I've liked them for years, ever since my first phone with a belt clip. It's been many years ago, but the belt clip is one feature that is kind of a deciding factor for me when I'm ordering or purchasing a new phone. Let's just pop the belt clip on. If I can figure out how. Try this. there's one side. And there's the other. Good and tight. So what else we have here? Here's we have the base power cord. It's like a pretty long cord, so that's good. I can maneuver that around as I need. Pretty long cord there. So what, the only thing left should be the batteries, which we have, and there's nothing else in the box. So go ahead and pop the batteries out. Insert the batteries. It appears press locator on base for 5 seconds. Put on charger. So that's what it says when I initially put the batteries in. Press locator on base for 5 seconds and then put it on the charger. I guess that syncs it up with the current phone network and starts the charging. So let me slide the battery cover on. Pretty simple. It's a nice looking phone. Very light. Nice big buttons. You can turn the volume up and down with this little indicator. I guess it would work after I get it all set up, but cancel all that out, just press the off button. Okay, so I want to hook this base up, put it on charge, sync it up with my current phone system. Well, thanks for watching this video. If you have any comments or questions, leave those below, and have an awesome day.